What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and this will be just a quick little announcement video. So I'm going to Germany for the next week or so to meet up with that BIM girl, which is another YouTuber that does BIM and Revit related videos and tutorials, and check her out. Link is in the description of this video. So we're going to be doing a live stream, so make sure to subscribe. And if you want to follow that trip, because I will be posting regularly, make sure to follow me on social media, mostly Instagram, so that's where I will be posting all of the pictures during the trip. And when I come back, I'll be doing some, of course, some little vlogs or videos about what the trip was like. And as far as the Q&A is concerned that I announced last week, I will be doing that. I just postponed it for 10 days because I want to do it with her. So we're going to be doing that Q&A together. So make sure to leave any extra questions you might have in the description of this video, because we'll be filming that video soon. So this is like last chance. And make sure to follow us on social media, because you will get some regular up-to-date updates. And don't worry, the regular daily uploads will continue on this channel. I will be continuing every day uploading Revit tutorials and videos on Revit, so don't worry about that, and that will continue on from tomorrow. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this announcement, and I'll see you tomorrow.